Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by proving the basics fast. Confirm the mobile number and email on your account match what you remember, because mismatches trigger access denial. Once done, open the App Store and update Gcash if it's outdated. Older builds often fail authentication. Make sure your phone restarts to clear temporary caches and switch to a stable mobile or Wi-Fi network, since flaky connections interrupt login handshakes and can cause repeated access denied errors. Next, you troubleshoot authentication directly. Re-enter your Gcash PIN and re-register biometrics if prompted, because corrupted saved credentials can block access. If you rely on one-time passwords, request a fresh SMS OTP and wait the full 60 seconds for delivery before trying again, since multiple rapid requests can lock the flow. Also verify your SIM is active and not recently ported. Carriers or inactive numbers. To finish, escalate calmly if denial persists. Open the Gcash Help Center chat and provide account details, or file a support ticket with clear screenshots. Support needs identity proof to lift blocks. Before contacting, disable any VPN or security apps because they can change your network fingerprint and keep you locked out. If support asks, have a valid ID and transaction screenshots ready. That speeds verification. Tip: if access remains denied after these steps, retry support after 24 hours. Temporary blocks sometimes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.